Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be answering the question if you can play with friends in Paper.io. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the time of recording in 2025, Paper.io does not currently offer a built-in feature directly to play with friends. There's no option for private rooms or room codes in the mobile version, but we can add friends to the game. So if we go into settings, we can go and click onto invite. We can send invites for people to play the game, but we're not going to be able to play them directly inside the game. And they do this because the mobile version of Paper.io 2 or even number 1 is primarily designed for quick casual play with random players online. As such, it lacks features for private matches, room codes, friend invites, so no system to add or invites friends directly into the game, only to go ahead and download and play the game on their device. But there is a workaround, so you can try and use a synchronized game entry. So while this isn't guaranteed, some players attempt to play together. So I've just been reading some Reddit discussion forum boards. So you can coordinate timing. So communicate with your friends to press play simultaneously, increasing the chance of being placed in the same game. So if you're sitting next to your phone, just go ahead and click on play at the same time, and you might be able to play with your friend that way. And also try using unique usernames. So adopt distinctive usernames to identify each other in game. But keep this in mind, this method relies on chance and may not consistently place you in the same match.